Hey, what's up bros, it's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google Play on your Huawei or on your phone. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is go to my website and download the newest APK, GSpace APK. Then go to your files manager and search for GSpace, this application, tap on it. No risk detected, that's cool. Tap on install and tap on open. Tap on start. Allow all necessary permissions, just like me, allow. The app is now starting. The important thing here is that the GSpace is a virtual machine, so this method is not a direct Google Play on your device. We have to wait. Okay, we are almost there. So this is the GSpace application, and if you want YouTube on your device, tap on YouTube. Okay, tap on sign in. Again, we have to wait. The magic is here. Google Play Protect is turned on. This feature protects your device from harmful apps. That's very cool. And as you can see, your device model, this is my Mate 40 Pro. GSpace is your virtual space device. Its model is Mate 20 Pro, good device, and your account will be logged in on Mate 20 Pro. So now all I have to do is sign in with my Gmail, and now tap on next. Yes, I'm in. I agree. Tap on accept and tap on install. And as you can see, the YouTube application is now downloading on my device, Mate 40 Pro with EMUI 11. Tap on open. And this is the YouTube application. Everything is fully working, as you can see, even with ads. So, again, the ad. This is my drive, Google. So I can install Google, and from here you can search for your favorite apps. Zum Beispiel, for example, Genshin Impact, and tap on install. We have to wait. Yeah, and the app is now, the game is now downloading. Asphalt 9, good game. Not now. And this is my Google Play. As you can see, there is no Google Play shortcut. So what to do if you want to download something, some games, some application? It's easy. Tap on, for example, photos, but don't install photos. Instead, go back, and from here you can search for your favorite apps. Puptran, for example. This is my favorite application. Tap on install and the app is now downloading on my device. So I do hope you ended up enjoyed the video, bros. Not forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe, wear the mask. Peace out.